people. Another vlog, dude. Have you been paying attention to my channel? He probably has not. He's been paying attention to Fortnite. And baseball, right? In school. Okay, then that's okay. But we've been putting up videos lately like crazy, kid. 6 videos in the last 7 days I've put on my YouTube channel. 6! 6! We're gonna go for 7 and 8, okay? Because I'm not gonna do dailies, but I'm gonna do them as much as possible because I like putting up content and I like looking at your pretty awesome looking face, kid. Let's see those nipples. How's that nose feeling? Is it feeling good? Where'd it get hit at? Show them. Well, you can't show them with your finger in the way. Move your head up just a little bit. There we go. Let's get in there and look. Let's see. It looks pretty good, man. What about up inside there? How about? Oh no, we don't need to look up in there. But I was failing you guys because we have this Platecrate box that's been sitting and sitting and probably sitting some more that we have not opened up. And Amy's been like, "Can y'all hurry up and do that Platecrate box? Because I want those pumpkin seeds." There's some pumpkin seeds in here. Amy's already going to look through this thing. So let's get right to it. Let's show you guys and gals what all's inside here from Platecrate. We get these every month from Platecrate. It's an awesome little box thing that you can get, a monthly subscription box that you can get. Look down in the description below and you'll see a link if you ever decide to join up. You get a discount off of it if you use our link. All right, here we go. So let's see what we got, kid. Let's show them. You get to pull it out and show them each item. No, one at a time, homie. One at a time.
A blitz ball.
Show them. Look at them. Look, you gotta show them. Got a blitz ball. We've already got like 2 or 3 of those.
They were not
Oh, you lost my blitz balls?
No, they're mine. My sunglasses.
No, wait, what do they say on them? Look what it says.
Okay, yeah, you can.
What's it say? What's it say? What's it say?
Don't bunt. You can have
look. I don't know if you can see it. Look, don't bunt. And you know, if you've been watching this long enough, you know that Xander is a bunt king. So I guess these are gonna be mine.
I found them.
Okay, and then you found what? Some Biggs pumpkin seeds. Mom's been dying. She saw these. She's like, I want those. Can y'all hurry up and do this?
A cool back grip for 400.
This back grip right here. Look, it's from Marucci. You got a what bat?
A Marucci.
You got a Marucci bat. There it is, right there. Some new grip. Pretty cool. What's this?
I don't know. It's like in case you injure yourself. So,
no, it's not. Hold on. Slow down. He said it's in case you injure yourself. What it is? Okay, it's grip enhancement. So you put it on like your hands if you want. It's like a sticky tack kind of thing, or like say, what do you put on your bats? On the handle. What did Mateo and them use? What's that stuff called again? I know what it is, but I'm asking you. What's it called?
Tar.
Some pine tar types. But this isn't really pine tar. It just adds stick. Like I don't know the right word. Let me see if it says it on here. Let's see. It won't stain. It's non-toxic. Doesn't leave lingering sticky feel. But you put it on. You can put it on your gloves as well. It's just basically a cloth. It's got a Ziploc bag type thing so that it stays fresh. You can rub your glove down with it, and it helps to keep the ball in there a little bit better. And then what else you got? This is an elbow guard.
That I get so I don't break my elbow.
Yeah, because you are a little. Well, you got any bruise? Oh, look, there's a scrape. I didn't even know you had one. Look, you got a scrape right down there. So this cannot protect your nose though. Okay, so you can't put it on your face. It goes on your elbow, on your lead elbow. That's it for this month's Platecrate. Actually, I think this is last month's Platecrate, so we're kind of behind. I'm sorry, guys and gals, but life gets busy. But we're trying to do more videos now, so I had this to do, and I was like, let's jump on it. Let's get something cool. Oh, look, he's already trying it on. He's already putting it on. It goes down just a little bit under. Okay. All right, so we're gonna eat some of these before Amy gets home. We're gonna try them before she does and get some initial reaction here. You wanna try one of these, dude? A pumpkin seed? You wanna try one? Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Let's set this right here. Alright, so let's get in here and try this. Alright, so where's the little spot to open it? Your mom's gonna be jealous. I don't like how they smell. They're not bad. Want one? Yeah. They're not bad actually. But Amy's gonna want these, so we're gonna save these for Mom. Hold on, she just got here. See, look, she just walked in the door. Hi, Amy. Hi. We're not doing anything in here. We didn't just do the Platecrate box and try these. You didn't get anything. Xander said there was nothing in there for you. Right, dude?
Yeah, the mom, there's nothing in there.
Sorry. Sorry, babe. Okay, you can come and look through the box and see what you want. You can get whatever you want out of here. There you go, babe. Go ahead and get whatever you want. It's right there. Go ahead. Whatever you want out of that box. It's all yours to choose from, babe.
You guys are hiding.
Nah, look, perfect. There we go.
Where?
It might not be underneath where he's sitting. You might not.
Those are mine. Those are mine. Look, what you got in your hand is yours.
I don't have anything on it.
Uh-oh.
That's
Uh-oh. Guess you don't get them, honey.
I will.
Lilo. Hey. Hey. Say hi to everybody. Well, not just get up in their face.
We got Miss Lilo out of her cage.
Lilo's.
We're in Xander's room, and his lighting is awful.
It's horrible in here.
There's 2 lights.
These light bulbs,
Two light bulbs
on that fan, the light bulbs are bad as it is.
They are.
But these, like, 2 of them are out right now. So,
You're on the spotlight. You are in the spotlight right now.
I miss Lilo's.
Hi.
I miss Lilo's.
She loves being out of her cage.
She gets out at least once a day.
Mm-hmm.
Give her exercise. She still likes to bite at Amy, though.
She does. She doesn't like me.
She'll, like, come up and sit on her, and then she'll bite her.
You gonna play with the ball, Lilo?
I want to rub her belly. But she won't, like, roll over and let me rub her belly.
No. She thinks you're gonna pick her up if you try.
Yeah, so here's what she does. She try to pick her up. Watch.
She doesn't like it. Oh, yeah.
Hold on, I'll bring her right back.
That's what she does. Oh, see? That's what happens.
She said, well, forget y'all. I'm going to go in here.
Now she's mad.
Come on,
Look,
I won't pick you up anymore.
You done made her mad.
Come here.
She's pouting.
She does that. Look at her.
Mm-hmm.
I made her dirty. I got her dirty.
She's gonna beat you up. She's gonna box you. Lilo, it's okay. He won't do it again. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Lilo.
You done made her mad.
What was this place called before? It used to be called something else.
FroYo.
FroYo. It had the little alligator. You can still see it.
Yeah, you can still see it. But they have new owners, and we're trying to see if they have new flavors. Now it's called Chiller Bee.
New logo, new color schemes.
New owners, new name. Does it look different? It's only closed for 1 day, so it can't look that much different. It's closed on. It does look different.
The lightning looks cool.
It was closed on Halloween Day to transfer over to the new owners. They have pumpkin. Here's the flavors that they have.
Salted caramel pretzel.
Xander, they still don't have orange, do you? But they'll probably have it after the season because they have a lot of season flavors right now. Now the boys are playing checkers while eating their FroYo. So good, boys?
Dude, I got like a blackberry with strawberry and mayonnaise.
That sounds really good.
It's cool. Alright, so once again, we are done with another daily vlog style. There was no baseball. Amy's in there cleaning up the kitchen. We just got back from getting our FroYo on. It was very good. I recommend, if you live in the Spring area, you should probably go to that place. It's really good.
I think they have more.
You do?
I think it's a chain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so she says there's more than just that one. So if you see one of those shops, go and check it out. I thought it was pretty good. And it's not mayonnaise. It was Cool Whip. Just want to make sure you guys knew that. Amy did go walking this morning. Got some exercise with her BFF, Miss Penny. Yes, you guys, if you're around our channel, you know Miss Penny is her BFF. Oh, they were so sweet. They went walking today to get some exercise on, and they went to this park. And Amy said she saw a bunch of dead snakes. She saw dead spiders. She saw all kinds of critters. But you did capture one critter, right? You caught it and you brought it home.
No,
she didn't.
You would not be here
No,
if I did.
I would have already burned the house down, okay? Because I'm going to throw this clip in right now, and then the vlog is going to be over. So this is going to be it right here. Nothing else after this clip because I'm going to be scared and I don't want to look at anything else on the video anymore. But let's just say there's a big giant wolf spider about the size of her foot. She did put her foot in on the clip, so you can kind of see it there, and it runs away, and it's got like a bazillion babies on its back. So it's a mama spider with tons of babies, and it was pretty creepy looking. So she didn't kill it. She was nice. She let it live and go let it.
How do I kill a mama with babies?
Yeah, all those scary spiders. I would have burned that thing. Anyways, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And I know a lot of you complain that the notifications aren't working, but all I can say is make sure your notifications are turned on. And if they're turned on and you're not getting notifications, let YouTube know about it. Go to Twitter. I think it's at YT Creators, or you can just do at YouTube and complain to them and tell them you're not getting notifications from my channel. Send them a screenshot. Somebody will get back in touch with you within like 48 hours or something like that most of the time. And just explain to them, you're not getting my notifications, because I have a bunch of people keep telling me that they're not getting them, and there's nothing I can do about it. The only thing I can do is just say, go complain about it. That's the only thing that's going to make it better, is you guys getting together and just keep checking the channel, because this is 7 videos in 8 days. Alright? Yeah, that's good. Man, I'm on a roll. Like, might as well call me Butter, baby, because I'm on a roll. That was corny, Eric. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Oh my god, that thing is huge. Look at the spider that Penny almost stepped on, guys. I think that's babies all over its back. Look, does that look like babies? I'm gonna walk towards it so it can walk.
Oh my god, Amy.
That thing is huge.